In this video, I'm going to show you how to find SWOT analyses using Thomson ONE InvestTech's MarketLine and Passport. These databases can help you find information on the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a company. Each research firm has its own research methodology and perspective, so it's really important that you compare and contrast findings from different reports when creating your own SWOT analysis. Keep in mind that it's easier to find a SWOT analysis for a publicly traded company. However, if you're researching a privately held company, you can also look at the SWOT analyses for its publicly traded competitors. The information included in the external analysis section could still be useful. Let's start with Thomson ONE InvestTech. You can only access this database with Internet Explorer, and you have to configure IE to allow pop-ups. Check out the guide on Bright's website or come to the Bronfman Library if you're still having trouble. Now that we're on the Bronfman Library homepage, just type Thomson ONE into the search field, select Title Keyword Search, and click Find. From here, click the link to launch it. If you're off campus, you'll need to sign in with your Passport York ID. To begin, hover over Screening and Analysis and select Research Search. This opens the Advanced Search page. Let's try to find a SWOT on Husky Energy, a publicly traded company. Type Husky Energy in the company search field. Next, choose the dates for your search. Let's choose the last 2 years. Under More Options, type SWOT as your keyword. Then, under Keywords, select Titled Text. This will generate reports where the acronym SWOT is mentioned in either the title or body text of the report. Add another row. Enter SWOT as your keyword, and choose Table of Contents. This will broaden your search for reports that have SWOT in the table of contents. Now hit Search. If you scroll down, you can see the search results. You can select all the reports you want to read, and then click View. Click on All Reports and click the View button again. Thomson ONE takes all the reports you selected and combines them into one PDF. It's important to look at many reports and create your own analysis. You'll see the data from one report is different from another. By reading many different reports, you can get an overall sense of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and be in a better position to write your own analysis. Another database you can use to find a SWOT analysis is MarketLine. MarketLine covers several thousand companies, so you might not be able to find a SWOT for all the companies you're researching. Let's go back to the Bronfman Library homepage and open MarketLine. Let's search for Husky Energy again. Type the company name in the search field. To narrow down your search, select Companies from the drop-down menu. You can see Husky Energy Inc. is listed first. If you still don't see the right company, you can refine your search using the filters on the right. Okay, let's look at Husky Energy's report. You can see MarketLine's SWOT analysis right off the bat. Unlike Thomson ONE, which allows you to access many different reports from analysts and research firms, MarketLine only provides one report that is produced by MarketLine researchers. Now let's find a SWOT analysis using Passport. Passport's coverage focuses on companies that offer consumer goods. So let's use Johnson & Johnson as an example. Passport currently has global SWOT analyses for over 400 of the world's largest companies. Check out Bright for a list of the companies Passport covers. To get started, click on Companies, then type in the name of your company and choose the right one from the list. You'll see that Passport has a number of global reports on Johnson & Johnson. Let's click on the first global company profile for Johnson & Johnson Inc. in beauty and personal care. This gives you something that looks like a PowerPoint slide deck about the company. It's easier to just click on SWOT in the table of contents. Now you'll be provided with a nice summary. Definitely explore the rest of this report, because it could contain relevant information and elaborate on the SWOT summary. For more tips on business research, check out all the demos on the Bright site or the Bronfman Library's YouTube channel.